Sorry guys, I'm blowing my phone off, it's hot. So back part 2 of the cicada. My phone storage went full, but it's not anymore. So yeah, he is trying to fly. But in this clip, we're gonna be putting him on my sister's tree to hopefully go be happy. Enjoy the rest of his life. He's still trying to fly. Oh, come here, dude. Ready? Here you go. He might pee when he leaves, but... Here he goes. Sweet little guy. Usually they're just flying away by now. Like I said, I think he's gonna go be happy. Maybe go eat on the tree, or eat some. These guys might be the ones that are making the like each night. I don't know. I don't know, but he's chilling out now. How cute. I'm surprised he hasn't flown away yet. Usually they do fly away by now, but I'm guessing he knows that he's been put somewhere to live the rest of his life. Maybe he hears me. He probably knows what I mean. You gonna eat, little guy? Or drink, as I should say. Hopefully you meet a friend sometime. Maybe tomorrow. I'm sure you will. Yeah, he's just hanging out. Oh, wait, is he eating? That might be his other leg, if I'm not mistaken. It could be his other leg. I don't know, he might be eating right now. I don't know, but he's chilling out and you don't carry him around. Alright, little guy, I'll see you later. If you do die sometime this week, maybe, I love you and I'll miss you. You were so sweet to me. He was funny. He peed on me earlier today too. Or not earlier today, like earlier. Not today. I didn't mean to say that today, but. Oh, little guy. Go live the rest of your. Oh. I don't know. Is he actually eating? No, I think it's his other leg. His wing just kind of flapped a little bit. I think he's just making sure he can flap before he flies. All right, buddy. I'll see you later. Okay? It was great meeting you. You can fly when you're ready. Just saying our last goodbyes, I think. Yeah, so I'm going to tell you guys how I found him. He's just like flickering his wings. he okay? Oh, he's moving. There you go, buddy. I think it took him a minute to realize it was a tree. Let's watch him, see where he goes. He might fly. That is such a great shot. Yep, probably. Let me get a picture. Perfect. There he is. Oh, is he eating? No, he's not eating. I saw him move his leg a little right there. I think bro flickered again. I think bro's lagging. Are you lagging? I'm ready whenever you are. Bro's lagging. Why are you glitching? What was that? Glitch again. Do it again. 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Glitch. Dang it, he doesn't want to glitch. But he wants to go up. He's moving around the leaf. There he is again. That's a good side shot. Picture. Yeah, it's not scaring him. He's not too skittish now. So yeah, like I was about to talk about, I found him. Well, I was sitting over here by my redbud playing Grow Garden. I was thinking about doing some trading for my corrupted kit, Sune. Comment down your users if you have anything to trade for it. Like probably maybe a raccoon or something, because someone stole, or I gave it to a friend. He did try to give it back, but he gave it to the wrong person, and to be honest, I am still so mad about it. But yeah, I was sitting by my redbud. I heard a cicada flying, and then I found him, he was just flying, and then all of a sudden he hits the fence and then falls in the grass. So I go running over there. I took a minute and for a minute I couldn't find him. And then when I put my phone down, I looked closely in the grass, and then to the right I saw him on the ground on his stomach. I thought he was really, really hurt. When I grabbed him, he looked dead. And then he started moving. So for a minute, when I picked him up, his legs were literally not doing a single thing, but they were also not like right up against his stomach like they are when they're caught or anything. And yeah, it's literally almost the middle of August now, and cicadas are still around. This big branch on the tree right here, as you guys could probably see right there, is oh look, he's eating. Yummy, right? Yeah. See his little antenna? Y'all might just see his leg, but I see him drinking. Hopefully you guys saw it. Yeah, he's taking a drink. Well, that's good. That means he's doing okay. But yeah, I think he knocked himself out when he hit the fence over here, which is where I started the video. Yeah, he knocked himself out, I think. That seems to be doing just as good as a normal cicada now, so. That was so funny, though. I'm glad he's okay. I'm glad he's drinking or eating. Yep, that's amazing. Can't believe he's not running away like usually most cicadas would do, but he's just eating, not even caring that I'm around still. That is so cute, though. I think we bonded a little bit. Here's my red bud, though. Oh my God, this thing is freaking huge. Look at this, it just continues to grow. It literally continues to grow. But as it continues to grow right here, it just starts to go down even more. So what I'm gonna have to do is probably cut it off to right where this branch is. So that way it'll start kind of doing that. But I mean, yeah, I'll probably try to clone this tree at some point. But yeah. Excuse me. Much better, okay. But yeah, there are still some weird leaves on the tree like this one. It looks kind of cool though. Same here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's breezy. He wants to see the pretty side of my weeping willow. No, I mean, every side of it's pretty, but this side is probably, in my opinion, the most pretty. Isn't that just gorgeous? Absolutely love this tree. It's so dang pretty. Let's see if he's still there. Oh yeah. Wait, did he fly? Oh no, he's up on the top, or he's a little higher now. Crawled up there. Oh, he's still crawling. He's on the other side of the branch. See if he's starting to eat. He wouldn't start to eat that fast. Oh wait, no, he is now. I see his little antenna. Oh, dude. Wait, I want to know where the little hole on where he was eating was. I think it was like over on this side of the tree. I don't know. I think that's it right there. That may be it. I don't know. I'm glad he's doing well now. He doesn't even mind being here. Oh, he moved. Okay, he's not eating anymore. I think he's just chilling out now. By the way, I broke this part of the tree right here by accident, and it healed. So, yeah, ain't that amazing? It hasn't broken off all the way yet, which is good. I just left it there when it broke, and it just healed on its own. So I'm pretty impressed. Is he eating yet? Or eating anymore? He might be full. Yeah, he's not eating. He might be full. I'm surprised he's still there. I can't believe how big this evergreen is, too. Like, holy crap. I feel like it's still growing. Just like, oh my God. Dude, look, these two blooms on this sunflower are still here. Literally still in bloom. That is so funny. Watch how many moths fly out of this thing. Look at that. Holy crap. Look at how strong this thing is. It's growing. Look at that. Oh, that's great, dude. Alright, I'm kind of glad those milkweeds are starting to die. This sunflower back here is a dwarf teddy bear, and it got double stemmed, which is pretty dang sick. But yeah, that was the cicada, guys. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to like and sub, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.